So, as you know, this is a very, very hot story. So, in this one, I am just going to stick to the actual details. Okay. So, as you know, Skip Bayless is in very, very hot water. So, here we go. Source: NBC News. Skip Bayless offered former Fox Sports hairstylist 1.5 million for sex, lawsuit alleges. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna go over this, then I'm going to show you a picture of the hairstylist. So the lawsuit accuses Bayless, then a Fox Sports host, of trying to pressure the hairstylist into a sexual relationship. Now, one of Bayless's former colleagues said that one time they were in a, a meeting going over things, and out of nowhere, he said that he has more sex than anybody here. And Bayless, but he seems like that type of guy, right? He seems like the off cuff type of fella. Okay, so here we go. Longtime television sports firebrand Skip Bayless is accused of making repeated unwanted sexual advances and offering 1.5 million to have sex with a former Fox Sports hairstylist, according to a lawsuit filed by the woman. The lawsuit filed in Los Angeles accuses Bayless, then a Fox Sports host, of trying to pressure plaintiff Nushin Farahi into a sexual relationship, including allegedly offering her 1.5 million for sex after she told him of a cancer scare in 2021. So in a statement, Fox Sports said, quote, "We take these allegations seriously and have no further comment at this time given this pending litigation," end quote. The lawsuit, but here's a big one. Okay, just keep this in mind. The lawsuit also names popular host Joy Taylor, accusing her of telling the plaintiff to, quote, "get over it," end quote, when Fox Sports 1 executive Charlie Dixon allegedly groped her at a party. Taylor and Dixon did not immediately respond to the request for comment Monday. The suit alleges that Farahi, who it says worked both on a part-time and then full-time basis at Fox starting in 2012 until her firing in 2024, began working with Bayless in late 2016. Now this is kind of weird. So she's worked there since 2012, but she's just now coming forward. 2012 until her firing in 2024. Began working with Bayless in late 2016 while he was co-hosting the show Undisputed. After he requested she do his hair, Taylor was the moderator on the show. Soon after requesting weekly haircuts, Bayless began initiating unwanted touching in the form of lingering hugs in which he would put his body against Farahi's and press against her breasts, according to the suit. That turned into kisses on the cheeks and inappropriate comments, including calling Farahi, quote, voluptuous, end quote, the lawsuit alleges. Quote, Mr. Bayless then started being more aggressive and direct in his advances, Miss Farahi continuously declined, stating that she did not date at work as she is a single mom and needed her job. End quote. Okay, that's valid. It's 100% valid. So, so after discussing the issue with the coworker, they both decided that coming forward would be detrimental to their jobs. Since Fox quote protected powerful men end quote. So then it goes on to say that she decided to be kind toward Bayless or risk losing her job. Quote, as a single mother who relied on her job to support her son, Miss Farahi felt that she had no choice, end quote. Oh, I can see that. And so then it just goes over how Bayless would still keep pressing forward and that she would just make excuses regarding her son and changing the subject. So so it goes on to say that she also told Bayless and about her cancer scare, but then Bayless told her that he wanted to be with her and began kissing her hands and offered her 1.5 million to have sex with him. Okay, so around June 2024, before his departure from the network, Bayless allegedly told Farahi that he fantasized about sex with her and asked how much money it would take to make that happen. To which Farahi responded by replying that she already refused his $1.5 million offer and her answer would not change. So we shall see what happens. But this opened the door to the sex culture there, where people were just laying pipe left and right. Now I'm going to show you the picture of the girl real quick. I dig it. But she looks like a hairstylist. I'm going to try to. So do they have any more? Let's see. Let's see. So I guess that's the up close one. So I guess this is another one. Nice. So we shall see what happens, my friends. All right, you'll have a good day.